Hello everybody and welcome to a new video from our construction site in the Philippines. And as announced the other day already, the roof panels were finally installed today. When I arrived at the construction site at around 10 AM, the half right of the roof was about 2/3 complete and should be completely finished by the lunch break. In other words, 4 hours for half the roof. And the Philippines are always good for a surprise, because the roof was attached to the trusses with these self-trapping screws. I didn't even know that they had something like that in the Philippines. Otherwise, they always had problem with screws. Usually nails are used here. But fortunately, that wasn't possible with our steel construction here. Here we can see the house from a different direction, and as you can see in the background, the half of the roof is almost finished. One panel after the other is picked up from the front and carried to the back, and I think this one was already the last panel for the right half of the roof. The short panels in the foreground are for the roof of the porch, while the back long panels are for the main roof. Behind them are the panels for the roof ridge. Well, this is what the whole thing looks from the inside. While one team is still busy with roof work, another team was busy plastering inside the kitchen. That was also finished by the end of the day. And here you can see the roof overhang, of which we have 80 centimeters on all sides of the house. And this is what the whole thing looked like from the inside and at the beginning of the lunch break. I then drove home, and when I came back later in the afternoon, the new roof was already being tested because it had started to rain heavily. Since yesterday was a Sunday, we only worked until 3 PM, and shortly before the end of the day, the foreman came by and brought the bathroom door. This is a PVC door, as is common in the Philippines, in white and with a very discreet wood pattern. And that's it for today already. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I say goodbye until the next video from the Philippines.